How to transfer Roblox account to another device. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily transfer your Roblox account to another device. So what you basically have to do here is open up Roblox that you are logged into. And from here, you just have to make sure that you are logged into your account. Tap on more at the bottom right. And then from here, you can scroll down and find a quick sign in option. Tap on that. Then you need to enter a code here. So let's find the code. So on another device, I'll just use my browser as another device and then go over to Roblox and search for Roblox. Go over to roblox.com. Then you can just tap on continue in browser. Once that is done, now from here you want to tap on use another device, and then it's going to give you a login code. So right below here is the code. I'm going to long press on it, copy the code, go back to my Roblox and paste the code right here. So you just have to paste the code on the device that you are logged into and then tap on confirm login. And as you can see here, the login was successful. If I go back here, I should be logged into my account. That is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.